Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cleanse my scalp when I have a protective hairstyle in. So let's just jump straight into the video. Today I'll be using products from Head & Shoulders, 2 of their products. I had my braids in for 3 weeks. The only product I've been using in my hair is my hair growth oil. Other than that, I haven't been doing anything else to my hair. So today is my first time actually cleansing my scalp. So the first product I'll be using from Head & Shoulders is Head & Shoulders, the Royal Oil Collection. It's their Daily Moisture Scalp Cream with Coconut Oil. Okay, so a little squeeze top, just take it off. Let's see how this comes out. That one's like a cream. Feel good. It smells okay. Don't smell bad, just smell like a hair product. It says it moisturizes your scalp to prevent dryness and itch. It's sulfate, dye, and mineral oil free. Directions said to apply to the area affected 1 to 4 times daily. So whenever I wear a protective hairstyle, braids, twists, anything, I never submerge my whole head underwater to wash my hair. I always just cleanse my scalp. I don't like to get my whole head soaking wet with braids because therefore my braids will get heavy when they're wet, and I feel like that's too much tension on my actual hair or my scalp. My hair might start to pull, and I don't like that. The next product I'll be using is the hair elixir. So this is Intense Soothe Scalp Elixir with cooling menthol and peppermint oil. Let's see. Couple pumps, come on. Can't really smell this. I already have the other product on my hair. I can smell a peppermint. I love anything peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, anything tingly on my scalp. I love it. Since I already used the scalp cream throughout my whole head, I'm just going to part a couple sections and spray it on. Ooh, that smells so good. Also, it says it relieves itchy, dry scalp all day. No rinse, scalp protection. This one as well is sulfate, paraben, and dye free. So it says, use on non-wash days for relief of itchy, dry scalp. Fresh cooling formula invigorates scalp. Great for protective styles, twists, and locks. 24-hour scalp protection when used as directed. And that is pretty much it for how I cleanse my scalp. So I'm going to ladies' baby hair down a little bit. Using my favorite combination, Style Factor Edge Booster. And then I'm using some Got To Be hair gel. I still don't like to do too much to these baby hairs, so I'm just going to lay it down a little bit. That is it. My fresh scalp look good. It said it's been 3 weeks. I haven't done anything else to my hair. I haven't had to re-dip the end. Still nice and smooth. Now I'm going to show you a couple ways that I style my box braids. And this bun is not heavy at all. Nice and light. This last style with this swoop and this bun is my favorite. It's giving me like a 90s vibe. So cute. I love it. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.